This is Carola with Yewno, and I'm here to introduce you to Yewno Edge. This is the first video in a three-part series and will give you a good understanding of the technology and how to use it. Yewno is an artificial intelligence and data science company that turns vast amounts of information into actionable knowledge. And Yewno Edge is our answer to information overload for investment research. Yewno Edge speeds up research, offers easy access to alternative data, and provides advanced insights into factors affecting stock and portfolio performance, specifically indirect factors that might otherwise go unnoticed. Yewno Edge is the front end to our financial research platform. It is web-based and allows you to leverage our knowledge and our technology to detect insights into the companies you care about. We provide traditional functionality typical for all financial platforms, such as a watch list or a stock screener, in addition to a series of unique tools that I will show you in this and the next two videos. At the top of the screen, we have the blue menu box, which takes us to a display of all the available components. We have traditional tools that allow you to build a watch list or look at market movers, and those are under idea generation right here. Then on the top right, you can look at company profiles, as well as an advanced charting application that allows you to apply a large selection of indicators. Then here in the middle, under news and events, we are providing you with our intelligent news feed called Key Developments. And finally, our portfolio and concept exposure tools are located right here under risk exposures. So, for a quick overview of the platform, as you can see, it is web-based. We have a ticker tape at the top, which can easily be adjusted by clicking on the toggle wheel. I have my watch list, and you can have a variety of these. Then we have on the right-hand side the module Company Profiles. And I selected a company to look at its performance, and in this particular case, it is Beyond Meat. Then here on the bottom left, we have our front-end charting application, where we integrated one of the most popular charting tools in the world, TradingView, which allows you to add all your technical indicators and to run advanced analytics on the chart. And finally, a look at our key developments, which I will explain in more detail in part 2 of this series. For general navigation, we can bring all our components together with one click, which allows us to analyze companies much faster. We can go up here to watch list, for example, and click on this little link icon and put this into group 1. I will do the same with company profile. As you notice, there's always a tooltip that tells you exactly what you are doing. Put this in group 1, and this one I'll put in group 1 as well. So now we can select a particular company from my watch list. So in this particular case, let's take a look at Amazon. And then all our different components will give us information on this particular selection. You can see we have Amazon here in company profiles, in our chart, and also in key developments. So this is it for the introduction. In our next video, Concept Exposures and Key Developments, we will take a closer look at these two components of Yewno Edge. Thank you for your time, and I will see you in the next video.